Ọhaneze ndị Igbo abịakwa m ọzọ ka nsị ebe asị m ka nkene unu ka ntikwa n'ọnụ na onye bụ okwu na-akpọtụ kemgbe unu ma na abalị na-abụgala aga o nwere ozi ntị na chanel anụ wee na-akọwa na o nwere nwa dibịa na Enugu steeti si na oji ọkụ amala onye zuru oshi abịarụ nka ichebe mkpu na abịarụkwanụ nka abịabịa maba aka mana ọnwụ ihe bụ na ka akpọọ ihe ọjọọ maka anya bụ dibịa ọbụrụ ọsọsọ ihe aka ọ na-eme o nwekwara ihe ọzọ na-aga emewe apụtachi na onwere mmụọ na-ekwu okwu because I've take my time to study that video efu na nwoke a nwere mmụọ ihe nwa nọ n'ime I will not say much o nwere ihe nọ n'ime room nwanụ na-aga afọ wee so fie according to him onye afọ fie ahụ ya bụ mmụọ ahụ fụọbara fie ahụ na ọ na-aghọta ihe onye so onye nwa na interpretizi mana ihe ahụ just simple arithmetic simple thing ọnya bụ mmadụ gbuo ewesu without wesu ihe ama ihe onye ahụ na-ekwu ihe mere mgbe gboo anyị nọ na village so ihe a bụ just simple drama ka ji ya confuse mmadụ in a new format now mana bụ ha bụ ihe ibe ihe anyị na-ekwu na all these young men ọgbara ọkụ now what will be their fate maka na achọkwa m ikwu nke bụ eziokwu o nwere ebe alụlụ ana na-adịrọ o nwere alụlụ ana ndị mmadụ na-afụ ndị omenala na-afụ n'ụka ha ji wee na-asị na ọ bụrụkwa ọna ka ebe nwanne na-asị mbata dị mma mbakwa dị ya ebe so gị ka mana mma atara ya ka mma na mma dọpụta gị n'ime ha na-eme gị the same thing kwa ka ndị ụka na-afụkwa na omenala onwe onye abụ necha vidiyo ọsị ọ bụrụ ihe a bụ ebe nwana na-asị m let's go back to our root na anara m aga ma ọ bụrụ na ihe a maka na ụka mma na anyị gwara onwe anyị eziokwu mụnwa bụ mmadụ na ọ bụrụ na ọ na-aka omenala dị I will not go mana ụfọdụ ndị ewelugo sentiment with ya we believe na this is how everything is being done na omenala while is not so ọ bụrụ na n'ime omenala ahụ enwego ndị alụlụ anabịazibịa position onwe ha in high places na-emezi ka ada mma na nwere ndị nwere ezigbo omume na-emekwa n'ihe ka ya kasị eme ya mgbe gboo nọnụ maka na gịnị onye ọbụla kwere gịnị quick money because quick money now is a way is identify na ana Igbo most especially na ihe ị na-eme na agalị ụmụ ndị ya pụtasị gị nna na ihe bụ na ihe na-eme na agalị gị ọ bụ na ihe na-eme na wọk nwaanyị lụtabeghị ụlọ nwaanyị ya bụ ihe enyebeghị ego ka ịlụta ụlọ mana echefuza na peace of mind and solution ị na-provide to the society is far better than riches and wealth ahụ ndị mmadụ na-afụ anya mana apụtasị ewele na onye alụtalụ 4 dekin onye alụta 1 dekin wee na justify si na onye amụ ihe ọ na-eme while it's not so ihe nwe ihe mee na Bible na a king sọfagide sickness onye nyere aka bụ a slave girl benye ya sị na jeke na ebe onye amụma dị otu a na ama m na oji ebe a na onye amụma ahụ ya agwọ gị this is a king living in his palace ekene m Chukwu na ọ ga-eda slave girl ntị o wee jee die onye amụma wee buchala ya mma wee sị na jee sọọ onwe gị n'ebe n'ime mmiri tinye onwe gị n'ime mmiri mgbolo 7 mana kịta mmadụ yi ama na onye a bụ your solution to ihe na-achọ na-asị na onye adọ na ọlọtabeghị ụlọ ọ naghị agba moto bụ onye ya asị nwee solution to ihe m na-achọ that is where most of us do miss it the same thing dị n'ụka anyị asị na ọ bụrụ na onye enweghị 200 million members na ọ nara aga what shows na Chukwu kpọrọ ya Bible say and these signs shall follow them and he suffereth no man to do them wrong. There is a sign that must follow anybody called by God. That sign, crowd is not among them. Come on, I go along my use. Because no video, and I don't know why I deviate. Just no video. Who know from this young man? Ihe dibia melaha no Enugu State.
Hi everyone, my name is Governor Eziokwu the Shanamite. Speaking to you from the city of Enugu. This is in Nsukka, right? Yes. So this is the young man we saw his video, and we saw him complaining, shouting, and a rope still held his hands. in a particular shrine. So we saw it and I was touched because a lot of people were mentioning me there. Governor Ezoku intervened for this. So this is his hand. You can see his hands got burnt. Exactly what you saw on that video. I had to come from Port Harcourt to verify if this is the truth. So according to him, he was the person you saw on that video. And this one happens to be his younger brother who came to rescue him because he saw what was going on. According to the story, they equally said that the drone itself smells fuel. So which other oracle could intervene in such formation where fuel exploded? And there were 2 policemen there. Sorry. By the grace of God, the native doctor operates with 2 policemen. He invited, and these are junior police officers. He just invited them there he always used them to intimidate people according to the story. So viewers, I choose to bring you this information. And this person only stood up to help his younger brother, his elder brother. And his own hand equally got burnt. They've been kept like this. Funny enough, the former governor of Enugu State, right? According to the story, once detained this particular herbalist for a year, and due to many of these misconducts and inhuman acts to humanity. So, my brother, from yesterday when people called my attention to this, many of them said that you stole something. And I said, from my own observation, if this young man took anybody's motorcycle, right, that he won't be calling God, calling gods of the land, even calling the shrine to equally intervene. And they were busy telecasting him. So, before the general public, I wish to ask you, you have any idea on that matter?
I don't have any idea about the bike. The man living at the back of, he's a tenant also like us.
Okay.
So, he said that his machine got lost.
Okay.
So along the line, he went to that shrine and later on called us that we should come and that I'm the one that took the bike. I told him I don't know anything about the machine. He now said that you have to go there so that if I don't know anything about the machine, I should go and prove my innocence. With all my confidence that I don't know anything about the machine, truly, before heaven and earth, before God and man, I don't know, I've never had such thought in me about that kind of attitude to steal someone's bike. I followed the man there, thinking that they would just do something, and maybe, in fact, I just went there to prove my innocence. Getting that place, they just tied my hand, gave me that thing, they tied the thing together with my hand. I said we should put hand inside that thing before the stuff got exploded. They were still holding my hand with rope.
They tied one of your hands? They
tied my hand inside the door, even as the fire was burning. I shouted, I cried, because I'm innocent. I don't know anything about the bag. Imagine what I heard. Everybody were there. I thought that maybe they would just do something, and maybe the shrine would say I'm the one that took the bag. I don't know anything about that bag. Even the owner of the machine has been crying since, begging for it.
Okay, the owner of the motorcycle has been crying, begging you to forgive him.
He just left here not too long.
Okay.
So I don't know anything about the machine.
Okay. And my brother,
that was all.
For me, I would say I am sorry because you only came to rescue your brother. Since that day till now, the person who lost his motorcycle, has he come here to say sorry?
He has been calling me, has been following me up and down, begging us to forgive him. But as God may have it, God and the land know that we are innocent. We don't know anything about the missing bike.
We don't know anything.
And the DDR called me on phone before all this drama started. He called me on phone. And I told him that I don't know anything about this bike. Even the person that his bike got lost was with him then. I was preparing to go out to meet an agent before all this drama started. Then I didn't know that it would end like this. I thought we would just go there after his incantation and everything. The oracle or whatever he's serving will tell him the person that took the bike. But to my surprise, when we got there, the man told me, even when he called me, he told me that I am innocent, that I'm not the person that took the bike. But if my brother, if I'm a brother to this young man, that I should advise him to say the truth that he took the bike. I told him that my brother doesn't know. As a matter of fact, my brother didn't sleep here that night. He didn't sleep here that night. I was the only person here. So when we came out in the morning and we saw that the bike, they dragged the bike out of that place and broke the chain and took the bike away. When my brother came back, I told him, see what's happened. He too was surprised.
Because our own bike is parked.
Before the young man, the guy that his bike lost, came with some youth of this village. He came and took us to the native doctor's house to prove our innocence. But when we got there, Igwe Udoji, the native doctor in question, he tied our hand inside a drum and gave us a flammable chemical. We didn't know, because where we went to pick the chemical was a dark room, so you don't even know what
you're picking.
Yes, you don't know what you are picking. The
like
place
this.
is a dark room.
They will tie the same thing you picked.
Inside that room.
Inside
You will not
that
even
Yes,
see
they
a
will
very
tie
long-
your hand.
A very long cloth like this. They will tie you.
Yes,
That's how
we
I
didn't know what we are holding in our hands
I didn't know.
until the chemical got exploded and
I didn't know
bumped
that
us.
is
Okay.
it's like that. I wouldn't have even gone
Okay.
there first place.
For me, would you like Nigerians or the Nigerian police or any activist to come for your aid or maybe to fight for you? Or you just want this matter to end like that? What exactly do you want? That's why I'm here.
Just like I told the young man then. I told him that I don't have money. And my both parents are no more. I don't have anybody to fight for me. But I have God who will fight for me. So after the whole incident, I put it in the hands of God, that Almighty God, who knows the truth, should come and fight for me.
Okay.
Because 2 policemen from the area command in Suka here, we are there watching all these things. And after the whole thing, one of them wanted to handcuff us, but the other person discouraged him, telling him, if you took these guys to Oga, what will you tell Oga? And then I said, okay, that we should go and treat ourselves, that they will come back for arrest, that we should treat ourselves first. But since then, we've not seen the policemen.
Those policemen, are they friends to him?
Probably because he was the one that called them.
Obviously.
Okay.
Obviously.
Police left their investigation only to come and submit you to shrine, right? Would you be able to pick their faces or their names if you see them?
I don't know their names, but I know their faces.
One is what? Sonny. Okay. He's fair. Okay. Okay. There is no problem. Another thing is, we saw your pictures on social media where somebody not just doing these things to you, but according to the story there, it was being mentioned that Nobu knew Shiko Nobu.
It's a lie.
You understand? So it was only his cry that touched Nigerians. Okay? So for me, at this point, the steps to be taken will be communicated to you officially. But hence I am here. I'll make available some money for you for treatment. But don't just start treating yourself. You understand? You must take some steps. The road is too far for our lawyers to come from Imo, some are in Imo State, one in Port Harcourt. So for them to come this far, it will be a very difficult task. But we'll make sure we'll get across to a lawyer here, a sound human rights lawyer, that will stand for you on this matter. You understand? Whatever it will take, you are not paying any money. So far you are innocent. So far you are innocent. You are not paying any kobo. I, personally, I don't want to talk about my followers and those, maybe our group. I don't want to talk about the group. But I, personally, I'll make sure I foot the bill.
I can swear to anything.
That's okay. I'll make sure I foot the bill.
I beg them.
All right. But at this point, I will make available 30,000 naira for you, so that you both can go to a government hospital. Get a doctor's report. It is very, very important. Get a doctor's report, because soon these things may heal. And if you start arguing these things in the law court, they will say, where is the evidence? So that's why you must take pictures. That's why the video evidences are there. So in case of tomorrow, the ones online, they're already there. So we'll make sure this matter get to the affairs authority, where it will be discussed. Okay? So every other thing, we will provide it for you. All right? Right away, so we'll look for a way where I can make available the sum of 30,000 naira for you now, for a treatment. But all the same, be available tomorrow. Be available tomorrow. These things will be brought to where people that knows better than all of us will look into it. You understand? There is no law under the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria made known to us that anybody can take you to anywhere to swear. It's already against the law. You understand? That one is against the law. But we are not supporting anybody to steal. Taking whatever that does not belong to you, we are not party to that. But this is an attempted murder. That is our major concern, and that is the angle we are.
To prove our innocence, we didn't know that this is what.
We didn't know that this is how the Dibia does his investigation.
If not,
that is why we went there. We just went there to prove our innocence. That's all.
It's okay.
The guy in question, I have not had any problem with him since we are living in this compound. So I don't know what brought about all this drama. I'm confused.
All right, it's okay. We'll make available what we've said now to you. Okay. The other ones will be discussed outside the camera.